For all of the people them suffering with asthma, bronchitis, inflammation, infections, here is a potent herb for you to learn about. This herb right here is known as the Jamaican Oregano, also called big leaf thyme or Chiney Thyme. This herb right here has so many health benefits that you need to learn about. So before we dive into them, just smash that subscribe button if you want to learn more about natural herbs and herbal remedies. This potent herb here, it grows in different places in Jamaica. Even right here now, it is in flower spots. Can you imagine having this potent herb in your backyard and you didn't even know the amazing benefits? The amount of money that you're spending on doctor's medication, you could be saving a lot of money if you had known the amazing health benefits of oregano. Let us dive into the benefits. Number one, this right here is a potent insect repellent. Chiney thyme or Jamaican oregano is excellent for your skin. It wards off insects, mosquitoes. For those who are allergic to mosquito bites, this here, it can be plucked like this. You can crush it like this and you can apply it to your skin. And it is a natural insect repellent. You can save money. Instead of buying those chemicals, you can actually save money just by picking this from your backyard and applying it to your skin. The other thing, potent as it is excellent for your skin. It helps with acne, infections of the skin, and you can make poultice from it to apply to eczema and psoriasis. Number two, when it comes on to respiratory inflammation or infection, this potent herb here is ideal to combat inflammation of the respiratory system and infections of the respiratory system. People, this right here has the potential to clear the bronchial tubes. Those persons with excessive mucus and inflammation in the bronchial tubes causing wheezing, shortness of breath, and other complications, you can start brewing a tea from the oregano and you can start drinking it to clear the airways. Number three, this is a natural expectorant used to expel excessive mucus from the body. It allows you to bring up mucus, that excessive mucus that is blocking the airways, that infection that you have down there on your chest. It helps you to bring it up and for you to spit it out. Number four, when it comes on to the immune system, this is a natural boost for your immune system. It helps the body to naturally combat infections, harmful pathogens, and it allows your body to flush itself. There are so many people that has been walking past this potent herb here, but I will tell you something. Don't walk past it anymore. Start picking it, start brewing it for your children, start brewing it for yourself, start using the natural healing properties that Yahweh has given to you through these potent herbs. Gain and utilize the benefits. You're getting knowledge now. Share this video because it is important to not only you, but it is important to your loved ones. You can be saving a lot of money if you only had the knowledge of the potent herbs that are around you in your space, in the environment that you are a part of and that you occupy. Before moving to number five, this is antibacterial. Number five, when it comes on to digestive health, there are so many complications, so many people complaining about gut-related problems, complaining about bloating, complaining about excessive gas, complaining about stomach cramps, complain about acid reflux, GERD, and you know it. You have experienced it. You are experiencing it, and this here is a natural remedy, a potent herb for digestive problems. This right here, it helps to soothe the digestive system. It helps to reduce inflammation of the gastrointestinal tract. It helps to heal the walls of the stomach. It helps to give you that calmness, that comfort, and that peace of mind that you need. You can just imagine when you want to sleep at nights and you can't sleep because acid keep coming back up in your mouth. It is an uncomfortable situation and very, very unpleasant. And this herb right here is a natural way to help yourself. It is time for you people to heal. The herbs are given for the healing of the nations. The herbs are given to make you feel better. The herbs are given by Yahweh for you to experience the best life. You don't have to be suffering. If you only knew what Yahweh planted around you, what Yahweh has put around you to help you, whatever herb you see around you, it is for you. There's someone around you that the herb that is in your space can help. There's a reason why it has been planted there, why it is grown there, why Yahweh allow it to be there. It is for your health and your wellness. Just look at these people. Look at the wonderful gift that we have been given by Yahweh. This right here, it keeps the environment in your house clean. You can do aromatherapy with it. Just allow it to boil in water and allow the fragrance to come out of the pot or the kettle, and that will help to purify the air. That will help to make your nasal cavity free, less congested. With all the things that are in the environment and in the atmosphere, you definitely want something like this. Chiney Thyme or Jamaican Oregano, known as Mexican Oregano. You just need to start brewing it more often. This will help you combat several illnesses and make you and your family feel so much better. If you have learned anything from this video and you want more videos like this, then share this video, comment below, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. One love. Shalom.